Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be with you today.
Today, we have a very important episode. It is a fundamental episode.
Yes, Leo. Today we are going back to basics. We are going to talk about the ABCs.
The alphabet. Some students think the alphabet is for babies.
But that is not true. The alphabet is essential for adults, especially when you travel.
Imagine you are at Starbucks. You order a coffee. The barista asks for your name. You say, Leo.
And then you get your cup and it says Rio or Neo.
Exactly. Or imagine you are checking into a hotel. They cannot find your reservation because they cannot spell your name.
That is a stressful situation. So today, we will learn how to spell our names clearly.
We will master the tricky letters and we will learn the words you need for these situations.
Are you ready to spell like a pro? Let's unlock our English.
First, let's learn the most important verb for this topic.
This is our first keyword, spell.
Spell. S-P-E-L-L.
To spell means to say the letters of a word one by one.
For example, how do you spell cat? C-A-T.
Or, please spell your name.
If you are on the phone, this is very common. Could you spell that for me?
Listeners, please repeat this useful verb, spell.
Spell.
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
Great. Now, Leo, what is the hardest part of the English alphabet for Spanish speakers?
Oh, that is easy to answer. It is the vowels. A, E, I.
Yes, these three letters are very confusing.
In Spanish, A sounds like A, but in English, the letter A sounds like A, like the word day.
A. Open your mouth. A.
Then we have the letter E. In Spanish, E sounds like E, but in English, E sounds like E, like the word tree.
This is the biggest confusion. E. Smile when you say it. E.
And finally, the letter I. In English, I sounds like your eye on your face.
I.
Let's practice. A, E, I.
Listeners, repeat. A. E. I.
A is for apple. E is for elephant. I is for ice cream.
Okay, now that we know the vowels, let's talk about your name.
When you go to a hotel, they ask for two names, your first name and your family name.
We have a specific word for the family name. This is our third keyword, surname.
Surname. S-U-R-N-A-M-E.
Your surname is your last name. It is the name you share with your father or mother.
For example, my name is Leo Miller. Miller is my surname.
My name is Charlotte Smith. Smith is my surname.
Sometimes forms say last name. It is the same thing, but surname is very common in travel documents.
Listeners, repeat the word surname.
Surname.
What is your surname?
What is your surname?
Excellent. Now, Leo, my surname is Smith. S-M-I-T-H. That is easy.
But my surname is Miller. M-I-L-L-E-R.
Wait, you have two L's together.
Yes, I have two of the same letter. We have a special way to say this.
This is our third keyword, double.
Double. D-O-U-B-L-E.
Double means two times, two of the same thing.
So for M-I-L-L-E, L-L-E-R, I do not say L-L, I say double L.
It sounds faster and professional. Double L.
For the word hello, H-E-L-L-O, you can say H-E-double-L-O.
For the word coffee, Coffee.
Oh, that has two doubles, double F and double E.
Exactly. Listeners, practice this word. Double.
Double,
Double L.
double L.
Very good. Now, let's imagine we are going to a hotel.
You walk to the reception, you need to tell them you booked a room.
This is our fourth keyword, reservation.
Reservation. R-E-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N.
A reservation means you booked a place to stay or eat.
You say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Or, I would like to make a reservation.
When you say this, the receptionist will ask, "What is the name?"
And then you need to spell your surname.
Listeners, repeat this long word, reservation.
Reservation.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
Okay, we have spell, surname, double, reservation.
I think we need one more concept, the difference between B and V.
Oh, yes, this is very hard for Spanish speakers.
In English, they are very different sounds.
B, 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 B. Like baby, your lips touch. B.
V, 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 V. Like very. Your teeth touch your lip. It vibrates. V.
Let's practice. B as in boy, V as in victory.
B, V.
Okay, listeners, try to feel the vibration with V.
Now, let's put it all together in a role play.
I love role plays. I will be the barista at Starbucks.
And I really want a coffee. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hello, I would like a vanilla latte, please.
A vanilla latte. Okay. What is your name?
Leo.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, L-E-O.
L-E-O. Leo.
Yes, but be careful. It is E like elephant, not I like ice cream.
Got it. L-E-O. Thank you, Leo.
Perfect. Now let's try a harder one, the hotel.
I will be the hotel receptionist.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Good evening, sir. What is the surname?
The surname is Miller.
Can you spell that for me?
Sure. M-I-L-L-E-R.
M-I-L-L-E-R. Ah, yes, Mr. Miller. I found your reservation.
Thank you very much.
See, using double L made it very clear.
Now let's try a tricky name. Charlotte, imagine your surname is Vargas.
Okay, my surname is Vargas.
Receptionist, can you spell your surname?
V-A-R-G-A-S.
Receptionist, is that B as in boy or V as in victory?
It is V as in victory. V-A-R.
This is a great tip. If people do not understand, use a word.
V as in victory. B as in boy.
M as in mom, N as in no.
S as in son.
This helps a lot on the telephone.
Listeners, I want you to practice spelling your own name right now.
Say it out loud. Spell your first name.
Now spell your surname. Do you have any double letters?
Do you have a V or a B, a G or a J?
Oh, G and J are tricky too.
G is g, 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 like girl. In the alphabet, it sounds like G.
J is J, 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 like juice. In the alphabet, it sounds like J.
A good trick. G is for Jim, J is for jeans.
Okay, let's review our keywords one last time.
Spell, to say the letters.
Surname, your family name.
Double, two letters together, double L.
Reservation, your booking at a hotel.
And remember the vowels. A, A-Y, E, E-E, I, E-Y.
If you master the alphabet, you master communication. It's the code of English.
Leo, do you have a motivation?